Well, it is Sunday, and it's going to be a busy week for our law firm, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. So, just getting some work done for the week ahead of us. With that said, put out a blog article regarding some changes that New Jersey has made to retail theft in the Garden State. Now, a lot of states, including Pennsylvania, have already done this. They've upgraded, in some cases, retail theft where there's multiple retail thefts where a person has a history of that offense. They've upgraded it to a felony charge. In addition, New Jersey has done things like where there's an incident involving an assault during a retail theft of, say, the employee, they've upgraded that charge to an aggravated assault. So these are some of the changes that are being done in New Jersey. So I put the blog article out there to, again, to inform our clients and their families of the updates in the law. With that said, I also put in that blog article explaining the difference between robbery and theft. People sometimes often wrongly use the words or the phrases interchangeably, and there's a difference. Theft is an unlawful taking. Robbery is the taking by force, however slight, and the level of force used will dictate the grading of the crime, whether it be in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, or wherever. So that is just a short difference. I'm also putting out a blog article, as I always do toward the end of the year, on school buses. This is a big problem, both in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and all over. People assume that school is coming out or school is out, and they don't, for some reason, need to obey the traffic laws with regards to school buses. Remember, school buses are very specialized vehicles. Obviously, any state has a compelling interest, child safety. So the laws are very strict. If you have an offense involved passing a school bus, your license will be suspended. So it's an important thing to keep in mind. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website, gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. Finally, put out the article on artificial intelligence and deepfakes, what New Jersey's doing, what the federal government did with regards to what was just signed into law and the Take It Down Act. Pennsylvania hasn't done anything. And really, that may be coming down. I don't know. A lot of states, these types of laws are really actually are already on the books somewhat. Harassment is a crime in virtually every state. There, you can still threaten a person, make a threat. There are laws, so perhaps Pennsylvania is waiting to. I'm not sure what they're waiting for, but at the end of the day, New Jersey has drafted and adopted their own version of the Take It Down Act. It involves these deep fakes where they're taking people are taking images of people, and in most cases, they are targeting young girls and they're making pornographic images. Obviously, a very, very important topic for any student to understand and obviously any parent to understand. Unfortunately, cyberbullying is a thing. It's a growing trend, unfortunately, in our schools, both in New Jersey and Pennsylvania. So check out the article. I'm going to link in that article that I wrote, as well as the article on the retail theft in New Jersey. And finally, I will link in the school bus article. These are all fantastic articles available on our blog at gambonelaw.com. So finally, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Sunday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.